The Movicon symbols library contains ready-to-use and predefined and configured static and dynamic symbols. This library can be accessed from screens using the Symbol Gallery tab located to the right of the workspace. The symbols are subdivided into different categories in the Symbol Gallery window. Each category contains a series of symbols divided into groups using a tree structure. To insert an object or symbol on screen according to the window from which it is selected, proceed as follows. Open the screen of interest within the Movicon workspace. Activate the symbol gallery if not already opened in the foreground. Select the one of the categories Project, User, or Common from which to withdraw the symbol. Select the symbol from the tree structured symbol list and click on the icon to expand the group. Select the symbol desired from the bottom part of the window. Symbol previews are displayed and drag and drop on the screen.